Hello, welcome to the TV Room. David Bradley here. So within this 64 I found some discs. They seem to be copies of sorts. Now this one here, this is going to be trouble because of course it is gnarly. It may be able to be saved. Well, we'll see. Anyway, it comes in a Commodore logo, like sleeve, but it's in some rough shape. And so there weren't many. And these all look straight. Oh, there's two in here. They all look like Tony Torpedo. This disc holder. Anyway, discs. They will need to be checked, but not at this juncture. You know what I think I might do with this disc here that's bent is I have a disc holder here. I think I'm going to put this disc underneath it to see if that will help it get straight. Now these are always quite wonderful. If you're going somewhere, that will keep, or if you're mailing discs, that will keep it safe. Oh dear. Oh dear. Sorry. Okay, so I'm going to put that down there. Oh dear. Oh. Excuse me. All right, we'll get on to other things. So here we are, video number 2 of unboxing and checking out the contents of a Commodore 64. Bye.